Today, you will learn how to open a hyperlink in Microsoft Word without pressing the Ctrl key. Normally, when you create or receive a document that contains hyperlinks, Word requires you to hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard and then click the link to open it. This feature is enabled by default to prevent accidental clicks while you're editing your document. However, many users find this extra step inconvenient and would prefer to open links with a single click, just like they do on websites. Let's see how to change this setting. Once Word is open, go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. Next, look at the menu on the left side and click on Options. This opens the Word Options window. In the Word Options window, click on Advanced from the list on the left. After that, look for the Editing Options section near the top. You may need to scroll a little depending on your version of Word. In the Editing Options section, find a setting called Use Ctrl plus Click to follow hyperlink. By default, this option is checked. Since we want to open hyperlinks without pressing Ctrl, simply click the checkbox to remove the checkmark. Once you've unchecked the option, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes and close the Word Options dialog box. That's all there is to it. Now, whenever you move your mouse over a hyperlink in your Word document, you'll notice that the cursor changes into a hand pointer. Instead of holding Ctrl and clicking, you can simply click the hyperlink once and it will immediately open in your default web browser. Before you start using this feature, there is one important thing you should know. When this option is turned on, clicking a hyperlink will open the link right away. This means you can no longer simply click on the hyperlink text to place your typing cursor there, because Word will treat the click as a request to open the link. If you need to edit the hyperlink text, you may have to use your keyboard arrow keys to move the cursor into the hyperlink, or right-click the link and choose the appropriate editing option. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.